friends, welcome back to Lakisha Loves to Plan. Thanks for stopping by today, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. I am planning for the week of November 15th. Can you believe we are already in the second week of November? I'm just really excited to just get started, and I'm using this little notebook at the end of the video because as you will learn, I have a lot to do, and when I have a lot to do, I have to write things down like a to-do list in addition to in my planner, just to make sure I have every single thing I need to do covered. So that's what I'm going to be talking about today. I'm going to be using the DEK Designs kit I just showed you, and I'm going to be writing a little bit and using some of the midliners here, so stay tuned for that. Usually I just decorate, but today I'm going to do a little writing, and you all let me know if you like that. Comment below if you want to see more of the writing. And I do apologize for my nails. My nails are looking disastrous, honey, but that is because, for good reason, I have been so busy decorating my house, y'all. I am finally finished, for the most part, decorating my house. I have some little odds and ends left, but Christmas is like a whole project. So it took me an entire week. I have 9 Christmas trees up. One, I wouldn't say one in each room. I would say like some rooms have 2, but I have 9 Christmas trees up. 6 of them, 7 of them are full trees, and then 2 of them, one is a 5-foot tree and one is a 4-foot tree, but they're all up. I'm so excited. For the first time ever, I want to really like put my foot into doing like a home tour, and not really a whole home tour, just maybe like my first floor. My first floor. And so I'm hoping by the end of this week I can get you all that video of my home tour, or maybe this weekend, so you can see how I decorated my home for Christmas and get inspired. Comment below if you have been decorating, or if you are already finished decorating your home for Christmas. Do you have a theme? How many trees do you have, etc., etc. So that is why my nails are not done, y'all, but they're gonna be done this weekend because I can't take it anymore. I can't take it. All right, y'all, look at this gorgeous DEK Designs kit. It's called Fall in Paris, and so I'm going to be using this to decorate for this week. This week is very, very busy, and that's why I showed you my notebook at the beginning of the video. I have so much to do. I mean, a lot to do. I even had to just like make a list on my notes on my phone because it's just a lot to do. That's all I can say. But this is the way I keep on top of it. This is the way I keep from being stressed. I decorate my planner, and I write in my planner and in notebooks and journals, and that's how I do it. And you know, and it works. I'm definitely a paper girl, even though I use my phone a little bit to keep up with my calendar and my schedule. I'm definitely a paper girl. So yeah. So anyway, I'm going to continue to decorate this a little bit, and then I'll be back to tell you about all the stuff I have to do this week.
I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. I would get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I would get up again.
Okay, y'all, so here we go. This week I have to first and foremost get my all my budget together for Thanksgiving. I am cooking for Thanksgiving. My menu is tight. If you haven't seen my Thanksgiving notebook video, I will link that below. I use a whole notebook to make sure I have all the ingredients for my recipes and I have a budget that makes sense. We are not going to have a lot of people over this year, just my mom and then my immediate family. But 6 of us already live in this house, so that's plenty of people to celebrate Thanksgiving already. So I am cooking a lot. I'm cooking sweet potato pies. I'm cooking a lemon poke cake. I'm cooking the staple turkey. My husband wants a ham. I really don't want to cook the ham, but I want to cook the ham. Greens. I'm going to have greens. My sister usually does the macaroni and cheese, and then she does that for me. So she makes 2 pans of macaroni and cheese. She gives me one. I make 2 pans of sweet potatoes or yams. I make yams from scratch, and I make 2 pans, and I give her one. So it's so funny because my sister and I, we normally swap at Thanksgiving. I give her my yams, and she gives me her macaroni and cheese. It's so hilarious. But anyway, we're also gonna have string beans, rice, stuffing, and angel eggs. Some people call them devil eggs, but I call them angel eggs. And I can't think of anything else right now. I'll probably make some potato salad, maybe not, I don't know. I'll see, but that is pretty much my menu with some odds and ends. I usually do like crab dip and crab balls. They're like crab cakes, but like they're rolled up like meatballs. But food is very expensive, and crabs have been like super expensive, so I really don't know. So that's my biggest thing, getting ready for Thanksgiving. I also have to make sure I get my doctor's appointments in. I wanted to do it last week. I didn't get it done. I got to get my doctor appointment in this week. Also, I have a tree stand that I need to get back to Amazon. But did you all know that Amazon charges you now for taking stuff back? Like when I looked, I was like, okay, I need to return this. And usually it's no charge. They were like $5.99. I'm like, for what? To return? Oh no, I was upset about that. So maybe that's new. Maybe people were abusing the system. I don't know, but I really didn't like that. But anyway, I have to also prepare my paper. I am working on my paper, and I'm in the stage where if you've gotten your dissertation before, where you just keep revising and revising and revising and revising. This is like my 7th revision I'm working on. It's driving me nuts. It's like I'm going around in a paper circle. So I'm revising my dissertation. I got to do that. I also want to finish decorating. There's some odds and ends stuff that I wrote down that I need to just complete the decorations for Christmas. First of all, candy canes. Y'all, why can't I find red and white candy canes? I went to 3 grocery stores and all they have were these colorful candy canes, and I think they're so nasty and they don't match my colors. My colors are red and white. So I am on the hunt for some red and white candy canes. I might just go to the Dollar Tree. I really don't like the Dollar Tree candy canes because they break, but I might have to go to the Dollar Tree. I mean, I don't know. Comment below if you have seen red and white candy canes. Like, I can't find them. I also need some beautiful, elegant wrapping paper because I have to wrap 2 paintings on my walls. I don't like them. They don't match my Christmas decor, so I found a solution. I just wrap them. And I also need some odds and ends for my tiered trays. I'm going to make some tags for my stockings. I saw this idea on Facebook where someone had these beautiful stockings, but they did not put glitter and all that stuff on the stockings. They just hung tags in front of the stockings. I am going to do that. I like the colors of my stockings. They're just red and white, just plain red and white. And the idea of hanging a tag in front. So I want to see how that looks. So I'm going to do that. And then I have Christmas dishes like plates and bowls. I haven't taken those out yet, so I need to take those out. And I want to find new pillows for my living room because I cannot stand the pillows I have for Christmas in my living room. They don't look right. I need some more like glam Christmas pillows. And then I want to just upgrade my coffee bar a little bit and put some like other stuff on the coffee bar to make it look nice. Not that I want to use it, but I just want it to look better than what it looks now. What else do I have to do? I have to clean my master bathroom, like a deep clean to get ready for the holidays. And I have to clean my planner room. And, that's what I have to do. So, I have a lot to do, y'all. I'm telling you. I told you I had a lot to do. So right now, I am finished with the DEK Designs kit. I'm just going to go into this fall book to see if I can find some stickers for this little part right here, and I did, and I'm done with that. And so I want to move into the tip-ins. So with my tip-ins, I'm just going to use some journaling cards. I just cut these out of a bigger paper pack, and it's about fall, so it works. And then you're going to see me write on this notes section here. So normally I just do one little tip in, but I have so much to do. I have this little notes section right here, so I'm going to write on the notes section and use my midliners to kind of highlight what I have to do. One thing I'm going to be putting on my notes section is that I have to get my prescription. I have been trying to get it where I can order a prescription and they bring it to my house, y'all, but it has not been working. I went up there, I submitted paperwork, nothing. Now they're talking about I have to submit an app, and the app is acting funny, so I just gotta get myself to Safeway and get my prescription. So that's another thing I have to do. And then as far as my business is concerned, we just finished Success My Way Academy Cohort 5, so I have to do my certificates. Actually, I have to do certificates for Cohort 4 and Cohort 5 because Cohort 4 did not get there, so I have to work on those certificates and get those out, and then finish out my everything else I have to do this week. Everything else. Y'all, it's so much stuff on the list. I can't even. Isn't she adorbs? I got her from Hobby Lobby in a little Thanksgiving pack. And she is just so cute. She's so cute. So I'm just going to stick her right here on the front and then right around her. So right now I'm just going to write down and record some things I have to do. Some of the things you just heard me talk about, so I'm not going to repeat it, but I'm going to finish writing this and then I'm going to move into that little notebook I was showing you. So my friend from VinBonAlley.com, the faith-based beautiful shop online, and the shop I'm a PR person for, if you use Lakisha 20, let her know I sent you if you go over there. She has made me some avatar, so cute little stickers of me. That's the sticker I made. So I'm going to use me as bullets. And I'm writing down like key categories of things that I'm working on in this notebook, because sometimes even though I am like tracking what I do weekly, I still need an additional notebook for like what phone calls I need to make, what specific things I need to do. And sometimes the planner space is just not enough space. So I'm just going to give you an example of how I'm going to be using this. I'm going to categorize things I have to do and then bullet it down. And then I'm going to use my midliners to just highlight the categories. So as you can see, I'm getting ready for Thanksgiving. I am working within my business stuff. I'm getting ready for school. I am planning, and guess what? I work full time. So this is not even my full-time work stuff, y'all. I got to do some household stuff to stay on top of the holiday stuff, and I have to take care of myself. I have to give myself some self-care. So I'm going to now take my midliners and just do the same thing I did on my notes page and just highlight it here. So I hope this gives you an idea of how you can keep track of all of the stuff that you have to do during this holiday season, everyone. All right, thanks for watching. That's it. Talk to you soon, planner friends. Bye now.